Hi guys, what's up? Today we're gonna play Roblox Bed Wars but with the Attitude Kit in doubles. Bruh, I died. LOL. Blocks are over. Let's get blocks. Luckily, I have auto clicker. Bro, the auto clicker was going crazy. Let's get Jen. Ooh. But there's no one in this team. It's easy for us. Bro, who even took our bed? Bruh, too fast. Let's play another match. Let's see if we win this match. Bro, Parsing Blade is better than Ember Angus. Let's go. Bro! Parsing Blade. Bro, I'm gonna lose this match. Bruh. Russ. Let's go. Bro, these are our neighbors. We're rushing only. Bro, how did he even take a bed? Bro, I'm playing very trash. Is it me or is it this kid? Oh my god. Bruh. Did I just win this match? Bro, black hole, bro. Black hole is the best. What's even this guy speaking? Yo, bro, what's that language, bro? Is it Spanish? French or what? Bro! What the heck? You what trash. Why aren't you picking the relic I picked? You not picking relic I picked. You're picking the worst relics. Relic. Don't pick any. Bro, he died in the wild. So trash. He's so trash. I'm so dumb to have this teammate. Oh, come on, bro. You wanna rest? I'm gonna give it. Bro. I'm so mad. What's our teammate even doing? Can he rush? Bro, I had only one crystal and that's gone too now. Let's rush. Bruh, my teammate is really trash. They got like tier 1 and we got nothing. Bro, why didn't I get the kill sound? But we need 3 bro to attack. To upgrade our weapon. You go and rush them. Make them low. Bro! Bro! No one is helping me! Bro, I had the wrong thing to make this guy come in my video. Bro, he's trash at everything. Can you rush at least now? Bro, I literally saw it. How did he even fall in the void? There's a 2-layered bridge. Can you at least rush now? Don't act like you're a pro, bro. You're a noob. And we'll be B. And we're a lot. Oh. Bruh. Let's go, I got a bow, bro. The bow master. Bro, why is no one getting it? Bro, you killed them both because I made them low for you. And one of them fell in the void. Oh my god. Thank god this. At least I got tier 1. Let's go. Bro, what if I'm gonna spawn camp them until I get maxed upgrade? They don't have no armor. Bro, this team is trash. Bro, I didn't even upgrade a sword. Oh my god, I earned that many crystals, but I didn't even upgrade my sword. That's so dumb. We need sharpness. Get sharpness, bro. Bro, I don't even have blocks right now. Bro, how did they kill me? I have an iron. Oh, that guy had iron sword. Bruh. Oh, I knocked him out of the void. Easy, bro. So easy. I got what I wanted. Now let's go and spawn kill them again. Bro, is their bed still there? Yeah, it is. Oh, that was a far shot, but I hit it. Bro, what if? Bro, one person is already spawn camp. Oh, it's their team only. Wow, so trash. I'm getting so mad. I need to go to the mid because with no arms, I think. Bro, this person is rushing up. he die? Oh my god, he died. Too bad for him. Bro, I'm getting so mad at this game. I think this kid is too bad. I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 10. Because at least this kid could work in solos. Because camping people in solos is good. What's my teammate even doing? Bro, what is he even doing in here? But there's no one in this team, bro. Don't even know what is he doing. Wow, 30. What should I get? Damage. Because I like damage. Bro, now our bed is also gone. If I die right here, I'm not gonna play one more match. This kid is actually trash. Bro, I'm ending this video right now.